Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Sophie Hannah here and I am back, guys. I'm back with the bleached roots. The bleached hair is back. I'm obsessed. Literally have not been this colour in so long. It feels like forever. I mean, I know it's only been like 5.5 months, but it feels so long because this is me. This is me, and I've not felt like me for so long. I'm obsessed with the colour, like the ashy kind of blonde. I love it. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. I'm back, guys. New colour is incoming, so watch this space. Yeah, I just love it. Oh god, it feels so good and it looks great. Anyway, I update you on the bleached roots and the process and stuff in my weekly vlog, which comes out on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. But I thought I'd give you a bit of a sneaky peek before the vlog comes out. But yeah, I love it. Obsessed. Anyway, guys, so because I've got bleached hair and it's fresh, I've got no roots coming through, I thought we would try bleached brows. So I've done this before, but when I've done it before, I've had roots, so I didn't quite see the full effect. So we're going to try bleached brows, but don't worry, guys, I'm not actually bleaching my eyebrows. I feel like that's a little bit too much for me to do right now. But I've got the Brow Engineer Intense Pigment Paint from Sensorium. We're going to try it out. I've got it in shade Platinum. This is it here. Let me come closer. This is the product. It is a Luxe Brow Mascara, long wearing, smudge resistant for full defined brows. So we're gonna pop this on, see how it looks. Obviously I'm gonna finish like my base because I've not got my base on. I always do my brows first, so I'm just gonna clip my hair back. Also my hair isn't really done either, so yeah, I'm gonna do the bleached brows and then I'm gonna finish off my makeup. I'm doing something creative today. I'm gonna film a few TikToks, so yeah, so head over to there if you want to see some glow ups of this look. But yeah, so we're gonna use this on my brows, so let's go in. Love it already. So I'm just gonna comb it down. I always do this when I've done it in the past. I've only actually done it once, but I always do this when I've got no makeup on my face, because it goes everywhere, as you can tell. We will obviously clean it up, but because my brow hairs are so dark, I want to get right in there, and I just comb my brows upwards and comb them through. But I'm going to let that side set a little bit, and then we'll go in with this side. So just comb my brows down and then up. I mean, it looks really freaking crazy, but I feel like this is going to look really cool. Yeah, I've done this before, but I never did it with freshly bleached hair. So I'm keen to see what this actually looks like when I've got like my full makeup on, creative makeup look, because I feel like it's gonna work well with this bleached brow look. I'm actually going to do like a graphic liner butterfly eyeliner look. So yeah, head to my TikTok if you want to see a few little glow ups of that. So I'm literally just packing this on. And then once it's sort of set, we can clean up the edges. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my awful brow brush. Just don't judge. It's covered in like glue and the hair gel. But I'm just going to push up my hairs even more and just set them down a little bit. Obviously this is going to take off some of the brow products, but we can like reapply and go over. I just want to kind of set them a little bit and just shape them a bit better. And then we're going to grab some makeup remover. And then I'd say use an cotton bud just to clean up all of the edges. So we're just going over. They look so crazy. Okay, I'm going to clean the edges up now. Yeah, and hopefully they look a lot better than this. Okay, so we're just going to remove around the edges of the brows. Just use some makeup remover and a cotton bud and just clean it up. I feel like these are going to look crazy, but I think once all my foundation and stuff's on, and I just need to go over my brows again just because they're quite dark. So it takes a lot of the product to cover my brows. Okay, a little bit crazy, but this is one brow. I feel like it just looks a bit weird at the moment, but I'm going to trust the process. Let's remove the edges of this one. Yeah, this is definitely a trust the process situation. Okay. I'm just going to do this and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. They're so crazy right now. Okay, we're basically there. So I'm just taking the cotton bud now and I am just patting it into the mascara wand with the product on. And then I'm just coating over my brows again. Just for one final touch, just to cover up any dark hairs that are kind of showing through. Also, sorry if you can hear snoring, it's my dogs. They're up in my studio with me. They're snoring so weird. Okay, so I'm just going to cover mainly the tail end, really, so they're super pigmented. I think the rest looks okay. And then I'm going to go away, finish off the rest of the look. Okay, I think we're good. I think they look okay. I mean, they look freaking crazy right now. But I think once my makeup's done and my hair's done, maybe they'll look okay. Yeah. We'll see, we'll see. I'll be back soon to show you guys the finished look and we can judge whether they suit me or not. I'm back, guys, and this is the finished look. I'm not sure about the whole bleached brow thing. I feel like they looked good last time, but I think it's because my hair's quite ashy this time round. And the brows are like platinum, like they are like platinum white. I mean, it looks quite cool, especially with this like gothy kind of butterfly graphic drippy liner. This has been going viral on TikTok, so I thought I'd give it a go. It's inspired by this Instagrammer. But, like, the look altogether, it does look cool. But I just think the bleached brow thing... Maybe if I had, like, white hair. I don't know, actually. It just... I feel like they really stand out. Like, I feel like if I actually had bleached brows, they'd just, like, super stand out. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure about this. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. But I feel like the bleached brow thing is not for me. I mean, thank God I didn't actually bleach them, guys, because could you imagine? I would be, like, dying and back instantly. So, yeah, I love the whole look together, but I'm just not so sure. I feel like they looked better last time. So, yeah, I don't think I'm going to join the bleached brow trend. What do we think? Yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts, but I'm not sold on this. I feel like it's fun to get creative with makeup looks, but yeah, I'm not going to be grabbing the bleach anytime soon and putting them on my brows, let me tell you that. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this fun video of me trying out bleached brows with my new bleached hair. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Peace out.